Okay, good morning. Okay, we have today the topic is 11.6. We remember that we saw already 11.4 and 11.5, and today the topic is 11.6. That is events involving no and or. Then we have the formula for this one, we have the formula for or, and we have two formula for os. All right. Then let's begin with this one. No. Then the probability that an event will not occur, we have the formula to find that. That will be 1 minus the probability that it will occur. If the formula is this one, P no E is equal 1 minus PE. All right? Then I need to subtract from 1 the probability that that happened. And we have another formula that is the probability that the event E will occur. This one we're not going to use too much. We are going to use more of this one. But anyway, in the homework you have some exercise that you need to use this one. All right? Not in the test, but just in the homework, yes. And that one is PE is equal 1 minus P no E. It's very simple. I'm going to give you an example how to use it, and that will be in the text next week. All right. Then let's see an example. Anyway, remember that you can use the formula in the test and write in a flashcard the two formula, and you can use it. Then let's see an example. 11.62. Okay, everybody remember the car for 52 car, no? Then remember, you are going to take one car from the 52 standard car deck. Then we need to find the probability that you are not deal a queen. Then remember that the formula is P no E is equal 1 minus PE. That is the formula that we need to use. But what happens? We need to find PE first. And what is PE? The probability that the queen, that when you take the card is a queen. Then first we need to find PE. And PE here is equal to P that be queen. And everybody know how to do that from last lesson. Remember that my denominator is 52, because we have 52 cards in total. And my numerator, how many queens we have in the 52 card? We have 4. No? Then the probability that I select a queen is equal 4 over 52, but remember that we need to simplify. Divide by 4 is 1, divide by 4 is 13. That is 1 over 13. Okay? Then, now to find the probability that is not a queen, then will be equal 1 minus 1 over 30. Then, and we solve this, then the solution is 13 over 13 minus 1 over 13, then the answer is 12 over 13. And that's it. All right? Then it's very simple. Only you need to use the formula and to solve this operation, 1 minus 1 over 13. All right? Then this is the first objective today that you need to know how to use that formula. All right? Then let's see to the second now. That is or. Then we have or now. But what happened? We are going to see or probabilities. We are going to see all probabilities in two different ways. We are going to see first with mutually exclusive events. But you need to know what is a mutually exclusive event. And here you have the definition here. Then events A and B are mutually exclusive if it is impossible for them to occur simultaneously. That means that they cannot happen at the same time. All right? That is when they are mutually exclusive. And when they are mutually exclusive, the formula that we have for all probabilities is this one. P, A or B, remember that or is union, is equal PA plus PB. Then this is the formula that we are going to use when they are mutually exclusive and when it's or. Because after we are going to see a formula when it's and. Then we have different formulas. For or is this one. And remember that or is union and is intersection. Then the formula that we use when is or is PA plus PB. Very simple, the formula. And we are going to see an example now how to use it. All right? Then let's see an example. Look here. We are going to continue with the card. Okay, look here. Very important. This word, or. If it's or, then we need to use that formula. Then you need to use the formula P, A, or B will be equal PA plus PB. Because it's or, I use that formula. PA plus PB. All right? The probability that A happen or plus the probability that B happen. In this example, we are going to select a card. We are going to select a card, and that card, what is the probability to select a king or a queen? All right? Then, in that case, we are going to find P, K, or PQ. All right? PK or PQ. All right? Then we are going to do the occur. In both of them, the denominator is 52. Let me. In both of them, the denominator is 52. Then, now, how many king we have in the 52 card? We have 4. And that is 4 of it. How many queen? 4. Then we can simplify. That would be 1 over 13. That would be 1 over 13. Then, if we use the formula now, we need to add them. Then the probability to be a king or a queen will be 1 over 13 plus 1 over 13. And we add them. Then that will be 2 over 13. And that is the answer. Okay? For the second example. All right? Then I repeat again, this is or when it's mutually exclusive. Then let's see now or when it's not mutually exclusive. Then the formula is this one. Then or probability when they are not mutually exclusive. Then what is the formula? P, A or B is equal PA plus PB minus P, A and B. Remember that A is intersection. the intersection that is common to both of them. All right, when it's then and we are going to see this example. And again, let me give you some minutes, not 2 seconds to understand the problem is right here. Look, we have a group of 25 baboons, no? You know, baboons are like, it's like monkeys, no? Something like that, the monkeys. And we have 18 of them that they enjoy grooming their neighbors. And we have 16 that they love to scratching a wheel. Then, and we have 10 that enjoy both of them. Okay. What happened? Is that we have 10 that enjoy both of them, that will be intersection, that will be and. That will be only grooming, and that will be only scratching, okay? Then, how can I find the formula? Okay, the formula is this one. I need to find P that love, I'm going to call grooming G, PG, and another one I will go to call S, PS. And both of them I will go, we call P, J, and S. Alright? Then if I apply that formula, then P, G, or S will be equal PG plus PS minus P, G, and S. P, G, and S. Then what is PG? Okay, for all of them, my denominator will be the same. How many we have in total? 25. Then for 3 of them, my denominator will be 25. And 25. That. How many like when enjoy roaming? We have 18. That would be 18 over 25. How many love scratching? 16. And how many love or like both of them? 10. We plug in the 3 values to the formula and we solve it, no? That will be PJ is 18 over 25 plus 16 over 25 minus 10 over 25. Okay? Then that is 18 plus 16 minus 10 over 25. Then the final answer is 18 plus 16 is 34, no? 8 plus 6 is 14. Carry 1, yes, 34 minus 10 is 24 over 25. And that is the final answer. Okay? That is the second part. We saw already no, we saw already or, and we are going to the last part. That is ox. We have 2 different formulas. I will show you first the formula, and after I give you an example. All right? Okay. Probability of ox. We have 2 formulas. In favor, that is PE divided by P no E, and against, that is P no E divided by P. You switch the position of the numerator and the denominator. I give to you an example of how to find both of them, and one of them will be in the test. All right? Then this is an example. Sorry, you roll a dice. That is 6 sides. Remember that you have some exercise in the homework that is 12 sides, but this one is 6 sides. is to find the up in favor of rolling a 2. Okay, in that case, we need to find P2 and P no 2. Then we need to find, I'm going to do here, the probability to be a 2 and the probability that no 2. We need to find both of them, and after we can find in favor and again. They're asking only here in favor, I will do 2 of them because it's the same. Alright? Then P2, my denominator, because it's a 6-side die, would be 6. How many 2 we have in the dice? Only 1. That would be 1/6. No? Then what is the probability of no 2? Would be 1 minus 1/6. Then that would be 6/6 minus 1/6. That is 5/6. Then the probability of no 2 is 5/6. Then in favor now. In favor will be equal PE over P no E. That means P2 over P no 2. Then what is P2 is 1/6. Divide by 5/6. And you know, we have a complex fraction here. You multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator. That would be 1/6 multiplied by 6/5. Cancel 6 and 6. Then the answer is 1/5. Alright? You can write like this, or in some textbook they write 1, 2.5. 1 to 5. That is in favor. Okay? That is in favor. Let's do it now against. But I need to use another, okay, let me try to do here. Against, will be, it's the same, only that you need to change, my numerator now will be 5/6, and my denominator will be 1/6. Then that will be 5/6 multiplied by 6/1. Then you cancel 6 and 6, and that will be, the answer will be 5. When is again? Then in favor, in that case will be 5 to 1, no? Because the denominator here is 1. Then you can write 5, oh my God. 5 to 1. But one of them in favor again would be in the test. Okay? Then that's it for 11.6. In the next video, I will work with 11.7. That is the last topic from this chat. Okay? Thank you.